Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix 8-ball pool lagging. So if you're currently having problems with the app lagging and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So actually I had the exact same problem myself, and what I did was that I firstly closed my 8-ball pool app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So I just went into the settings app right here as you can see, and then it took me to this page. Now on this page, what I did is that I scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, then I clicked on storage in here as you can see, and we're just going to simply wait for this page to completely load in here. It's going to take us a couple of seconds to completely load it, and as you can see now when it's done, you're just going to swipe up like this until you can see the big search bar up top. Just click on the search bar, search for 8, and yeah, it should actually quite often pop up like in the top here. So just click on the 8-ball pool app, and then we're just going to click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. Then click on the blue button here once again and just wait for your 8-ball pool app to completely update to its latest version. Because if lagging is the problem that you're having, it is quite often due to if they have like a new update on the app and you're still using the old update, or basically the update previous to the new one, then unfortunately it's going to probably lag. It's going to be a lot of bugs in that version as well. So just try to update it and then go back into the app, and then hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.